Have you ever thought of making your college life interesting and full of adventure?
How about getting an opportunity to do useful work in society?
Do you really want to be creative and explore your talents?
How about you taking a step forward for the development of the rural areas and the villages?
Do you really think that social work and fun doesn't go hand in hand?
What if you get a chance to develop a sense of service in you and showcase your skills?
Do you want to take an initiative towards cleaning our environment?
Then you must join NSS.
तुमच्यासाठी काय पण selfless service. The NSS motto itself states not me but you. Being an integral part of the society that we live in is our moral duty to provide returns in the name of humanity. The NSS community provides a widespread platform for this. Selfless service alone gives the needed strength and courage to awaken the sleeping humanity in one's heart. If one has the ability to help others, they surely make society a better and beautiful place for living. After all, a selfless service to humanity is also selfless service to God. It also gives self satisfaction and peace of being a helpful hand to a needy one, and NSS always brings in opportunities to do so. क्या से क्या हो गया? In this world full of competition, your way to represent yourself, your qualities of speech and leadership, in fact your whole persona is a key towards your successful future. After joining NSS, everyone experiences a great boost in their personality. Like you just become a different person after you complete your 2 years of NSS. The reason behind is NSS exposes you to the outside world. You get to work alongside with the people in the rural and slum areas. You get to know about what lives they are living. This things widens your thought process and makes you stand different from the people. You get a chance to manage, host and volunteer many events and fairs, and this definitely increases your teamwork and self-confidence. And like a cherry on cake, it also helps to improve your speaking qualities as you have to interact with many people on a formal level.
मैनेजमेंट, साथ ही हाथ बटाना. Good management is the backbone of successful organizations, and same goes for NSS too. Managing an organization means getting things done with and through other people to achieve its objectives. However, NSS gives us this opportunity of planning, organizing, directing, and controlling the management through offering leadership in every possible way and boost your confidence. Also, it provides partial opportunity to all and work together for its success. This thing will surely help us ahead in our lives and will never go in vain. डर के आगे जीत है. Overcome your fears. The best way to overcome your fear is to face it. You must be familiar with this, but have ever gave it a shot? It ain't an easy task to do so. But some fears are harmful for our personality and social image. For example, stage fear, fear of speaking out your ideas, fear of interacting with people in a formal way. In NSS, we do all the stuff to overcome this kind of fears. In NSS, we tend to face it, and we always have our seniors at our back if we do any mistakes. This thing surely increases our confidence level. Facing your fears by staying into your comfort zone is all that needed to be fearless. You also do a lot of stuff like blood donation, traffic controls, working in slum areas, going door to door to spread awareness. Doing these activities makes you overcome your fears without you even realizing. So let's make your move and join this lovely NSS community and live our डर के आगे जीत है movement.
तारीफ पे तारीफ, appreciation. Our NSS community definitely makes us work for the betterment of the society, but it also knows our worth and appreciate us for our work and contribution in every possible way. A person who feels appreciated will always do more than what is expected. NSS surely acknowledges this thought and knows the importance of appreciating a volunteer for his remarkable work throughout his journey. Through different competitions, programs, festivals, it gives us the opportunity we have always been craving for. A simple recognition of effort can feel rewarding and can also be an excellent way to motivate us to keep doing fantastic work. NSS has always been grateful and sending their words of appreciation in the best way possible to express gratitude towards a volunteer for their job.
हम साथ साथ हैं. NSS is a family. The NSS program has a duration of 2 years. New place, new opportunities, new people, but a shadow of senior volunteers to guide. It's a place where you meet people having immense talent, learn things, implement in group work, and mix with each other by adjusting and comprising a bit. The NSS also organizes a 7-day camp to adopted village every year. After living, working together for 7 days, at the end, those people feel like a family. A new set of family apart from the daily world we live in. A family of love, care, affection, and belongingness. A family to cherish forever. Moja hi moja. Amusing activities. As NSS is mostly focused on social work, awareness camps, rallies, one may think that NSS isn't enjoyable and it is a little boring. But this isn't the fact. NSS is totally enjoyable and it gives you your fully lived and enjoyed college memories along with the satisfaction of working for a good cause. In NSS, you are always working in a very cherished and enjoyable environment. The 7 days camp is the most enjoyable phase in NSS. You live with your seniors and all the volunteers for 7 long days. The whole 7 days feel totally like a different world. Doing street plays, debate competitions, visiting to the schools, spending time with little children and Antakshari nights. These all things fill you up with unforgettable memories for the rest of your life. NSS surely displays a fact that social work is also enjoyable.
Hello, my name is Jia Pawar and I am an NSS volunteer and I would like to give you a little info and structure about NSS. NSS, the National Service Scheme, was established on September 24, 1969. It is an Indian government-based service program. It aims at developing students' personality through community service. NSS is a 2-year course and a volunteer has to complete 240 hours, that is 120 hours per year for both the years, and has to witness a 7-day special camp at the adopted village to get certified officially for NSS. However, for this year, the hours may fluctuate due to the pandemic situation. As you have already seen in the previous points, NSS provides us a broader pathway for our development. NSS helps in the appreciation to other people's point of view and also show consideration towards other living beings.
Hello everyone, my name is Jay Jadhav and I would like to give you a proper view on how the NSS works, how the activities are practical. Activities are classified into 4 types: area-based 1 activity, area-based 2 activity, university level activity and college level activity. It also includes a 7-day special camp. However, this year due to the pandemic situation, our work is not stranded. We have been working from our home, carrying out some different activities like arranging some webinars, creating some different awareness videos, etc. So if you want to develop your personality, you want that experience, then you should definitely join the NSS. So come forward, join the NSS and get the experience. Be the part of the change you want to see.